While modern factories and hotels rise in the capital and other urban centers, prosperity has been slow to arrive in rural areas where most of the population lives. The case in point is Karamoja sub-region, consisting of Kotido, Kabong, Abim, Amudat, Moroto and Nakapiripiri districts. This region, which lies in northeastern Uganda, has remained one of the most underserved areas in terms of financial services, whereby only 1% of the population have access to financial services.
With the right partnerships with institutions like Centenary Bank, GIZ, and the government of Uganda, we can now accelerate the realization of this region's resources into actual wealth and into other areas of investment.
The former Minister for Finance, Dr. Ezra Suruma, was representing the First Lady and Minister for Karamoja Affairs, Janet Museveni, at the unveiling of Centenary Bank's Kotido and Moroto branches, underscored the need for taking affordable financial services closer to the bottom of the pyramid and the underserved population.
There is a change in the attitudes of the people towards money, towards commerce.
Banks play a very important role. First of all, bringing modern facilities, banking facilities to the rural population, enabling them to get loans, but even more importantly, to have a safe haven for their savings.
Centenary Bank is determined to be the best provider of financial services, especially microfinance in Uganda.
Despite the fact that rural agricultural production is the backbone of Uganda's economy, this urban-rural economic disparity is reflected in the financial services sector. For decades, Uganda's rural community has been sidelined by commercial banks who prefer operating in larger urban centers where they are assured of clientele. In the big towns, international and local commercial banks compete for customers, and by contrast, financial services are relatively scarce in rural Uganda.
These banks don't reach us. They are always only in town, and we just hear these issues of the banks, the loans being given.
With this new development brought about by Centenary Bank, the Karamoja community is hoping to benefit due to the multiple products on offer, such as education and business loans, in addition to expansive operations. Dennis Igoa, UBC News, in Karamoja sub-region.